the childcare guru.
Just want to remind you guys to please frequently wash your hands and stay home.
Are you self-isolating or an essential workers that needed to work for us? Or did you just lose your job? Comment down below. If you need someone to talk to, we are here for you. Right, partner?
We at Hooray are here to entertain you and share ideas in any way that we can.
So for today's video, we will be sharing a tutorial of our homemade Play-Doh. So keep watching.
These are the materials and the ingredients to use. Spatula for mixing, measuring cup, measuring spoon, salt, oil, food coloring, 2 bowls, boiled water, and most importantly, flour. Add 1 cup of flour in a mixing bowl. Half cup of salt. And then blend them together. On a separate bowl, mix half cup of boiled water and 1 tablespoon of oil. Combine the powder mixture and the liquid mixture together. You have to mix them well to make a lovely dough. Once a good dough has been created, you have to knead them for a few more seconds and the Play-Doh is gonna be ready. Divide your dough into your desired amount. Put 1 part into a separate bowl. Then add your food coloring. This is optional. Knead well to blend the color properly. Then you can add different colors to the remaining part of the dough. Just repeat the kneading process and that's basically it. Due to coronavirus, Play-Doh is not recommended to be used into a daycare setting as of this moment, but if you do have kids of your own, making a Play-Doh is a good activity to spend time with them.
Say hi. Say hooray. What color are these Play-Doh? What color is this?
Green.
That one?
Purple.
And that one?
No.
What color is this?
Orange.
Good job. Yep.
And that's our tutorial for Play-Doh making. Hope you guys enjoyed watching and please don't forget to subscribe in our channel. Thank you.